I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ghost knife. This elusive item is a true gem, known for its distinct design and extreme rarity within the game. Many players actively seek it out to enhance their collection or showcase their dedication. Understanding its value and the various ways to acquire it is the first step towards adding this legendary knife to your inventory. There are a few primary ways to get your hands on a ghost knife. The most common method involves direct trading with other players who already possess one. You might also find opportunities during specific in-game events or by opening very rare, limited edition mystery boxes. These boxes have an extremely low drop rate for such high-tier items, often less than 1%, making trading a more reliable path. When trading for the ghost knife, be prepared for its significant value. It typically ranks among the top 5% of rarest items, meaning you will likely need to offer several other valuable items in return. Always use the game's official trading interface to ensure a secure transaction. Be wary of external links or offers that seem too good to be true, as these are often attempts to scam you. To maximize your chances, always do your homework. Research the current market value of the ghost knife and understand what other items are commonly traded for it. Join official game forums and community groups. These are excellent places to connect with experienced traders and learn about upcoming events. Patience is key, as acquiring such a rare item can take time and persistent effort. Good luck on your quest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.